Hello, my name's Richard. Welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a video of one of our fully prepared cars. This is our stunning 2015 BMW 320i M Sport. It's the petrol model. It's the four-door saloon in the beautiful Estoril blue metallic. Does benefit from the full black leather Dakota upholstery. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels. Got a nice specification on this car. It does have, as I said, the black Dakota leather. It's also got the satellite navigation. It's got heated front seats, and another nice option on this, it's got the split folding rear seats. So the seats do drop down as well, which is a nice option on one of these saloons. It's got the rear parking sensors, which are visible on the screen and audible. It's got DAB radio as well, which is another nice option. And it also has the Bluetooth music streaming, and it's got cruise control on the multifunction steering wheel. We've just had this car serviced. It is a one private keeper car from new, only covered 35,000 miles. As I said, we've just had it serviced, we've just had the car MOT'd. It will benefit from 6 months top of the range platinum RAC warranty, which is an all mechanical, all electrical warranty, and also 12 months complimentary RAC membership, which will cover you for home start. It's got recovery on there, and it's got roadside assistance. So it's a very nice, useful thing to have. Obviously something that's there if you need it. Just looking in through the back, you can see the black leather Dakota upholstery. And we're just going to move in, look through the front. You'll see in there again, it's got the M Sport seats. It's got the centre console in the aluminium. You can see the multifunction steering wheel and the iDrive down there as well. Just going to come out and pan around the front. And hopefully you can pick up in the film what a lovely order this car's in. Excellent set of tyres on the car. Really does look nice and ready to go. If you want any further info, please do give me a call. Name's Richard, 01206 512 271. Thanks all.